This video will demonstrate the use of special tool tie rod end remover. Tie rod end remover is used to remove the tie rod end of steering connected to the knuckle. Using tie rod end remover, loosen all the nuts of the front wheel. Lift vehicle and remove front wheel. Locate steering tie rod end and remove cotter pin from tie rod end nut with the help of a plier. Loosen and remove the tie rod end nut using a ring spanner. The special tool has a chain connected to its body with a hook given at its other end. Bring the tool near tie rod end and engage its hook on the strut assembly. This prevents the tool from falling during its use. Install the special tool on the tie rod end as shown and adjust it using the lever given. After adjustment, start tightening the nut given at the outer end of the tool using a spanner. Tighten the tool until tie rod end gets separated from the knuckle. Remove the special tool. The tie rod end from the other side can also be removed by following the same procedure. Advantage and benefit. This tool helps to remove the tie rod end easily and without using the hammer on the knuckle. This prevents damage to knuckle and tie rod end.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.